Okay, so I've got these out, so I might as well do them for the day. I did show you the display and till on them as part of a different video, but there's no time like the present, as they say. So I went to the Asian supermarket and I picked up a couple of things. Some of the salted duck eggs that they gave me were past their use-by date, so I threw them out. I was going to show you those. I did pick up some Tyson, I don't even know how to say it, but grass jelly drink. So I'm also going to get a glass of water for this because, to be fair, I don't have the best stomach to be doing food challenges, but this is hopefully going to be okay. But these, I've watched the videos on the internet, and to be perfectly honest, if I can even get a bite of this, I will be relieved. So let's crack it open and let's see. It smells like grass. This requires some investigation. I think it is a tea. Oh, hello. What is this? This is the grass jelly that I take it. It's quite nice, to be honest. It doesn't look very nice, but... Now these are preserved duck eggs, also known as 1000-year eggs. It's cooked, I think. Serve as a cold dish, keep refrigerated until use. My eyes are starting to water. Oh, look at the colour of that. I mean, this is like a teat. This is soft, this is the white. But look at that. Ugh. I'm going to try a little bit of the white. So, it smells like nothing you ever want to put in your mouth. To be honest, you can taste the ammonia. It's got a horrible aftertaste, but when it's in your mouth, the white isn't actually that bad. So I don't know what the best way to tackle this is, but this needs to be seen to be believed. This is a liquid. Ready? Okay. We'll do a countdown. We'll just get this bit in. 3, 2, 1. Yuck. The first thing you get is egg, and that still tastes egg now. But then you get the ammonia that's kind of, it just tells you that it's wrong. Let's try this bit. To be honest, the inside's not bad. And then once it's gone, once you breathe, You get that hit of ammonia. Let's try just a bit of that. That's where the really strong flavour is. But the smell of that. Ugh. No thanks. I'll stick to the weird drinks. Grass jelly drink. Every day. I mean, why would you need to eat those? I just don't get it. Until next time. Cool Pip.